If you have an AirPods Pro and suddenly the AirPod case is not charging, then this video helps to fix your AirPod case charging related issues. We saw so many cases that AirPods Pro case have such type of issues. This case is not charging from 4-5 months. Customer tells that wireless charging system works for some time, but last at all it also failed. While we insert the charger, no response of charging and indicator also not glowing. The case is dirty too in physical appearance. So we can guess that might be charger, charging cable or charging port issues that can be fixed from the outside. If the problem was from inside, then you have to disassemble the AirPod case. The glue stick is hard, simple, heating with a hair dryer. Make it easy to open the case. Here you can see one flex is already open and other is connected. The opened one is dock charging flex. Another one is wireless charging flex. If your AirPod not charging for a long time, then you have to activate the battery once from the outer side. If you want to invest in crypto, then you can get the best option as a ZB, the governance token of the ZBC protocol. ZBC is a DeFi technology provider that empowers real-time, frictionless, and continuous stream of payments. The platform aims to allow direct and instant financial transaction settlements between parties through easily programmable smart contracts. Disconnect to connector that is for the AirPod charging slot. The connector is stick with glue adhesive. Let's remove the battery and PCB to check any issues or not. Both looks fine and I give the power source from the power supply. Now put it back in previous condition. The main issue in that case is that the dock connector is disconnected from the inside after being dropped. So be careful as an AirPods Pro user. So we connect both flags and insert the charger. Now the light embers means the AirPods case is charging and the problem is fixed. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share it with friends and subscribe to support us. We are always waiting for your feedback. Keep dropping your valuable comment. Hello, we are from the GSM Solution. Peace out till the next time.